We are going to be looking at the L in slide next, and L stands for links. If you are to be listening to this document using a screen reader, or even because you may learn better by listening,
You can find out more about how disability
here's
impacts
how
us all using the
this
CDC website,
would sound.
https://www.cdc.gov/ncbddd/disability-health/infographic-disability-impacts-all.html.
And now this is actually a pretty easy to read link. If we look down below, our link in Microsoft has a lot more things that are not very comprehensible. So specifically, when we look at L for links, what we want to do is describe where that link goes so that you would know. And one of the things when we first talk about descriptive links that people tend to do is they would say, you can find more about how disability impacts us all on the CDC website by going here, and we'll underline here and put the link there. But really a best practice is to go ahead and write the title of the page. That way when you get to it, you know you're in the right place. So I happen to know that this CDC website is called Disability Impacts Us All. So I'm going to go ahead and redo this whole sentence so it makes sense. You can see that I've rephrased this to you can find out more on the CDC website, Disability Impacts Us All. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this link. I'm going to highlight Disability Impacts Us All, and then I can right-click, link, and I'm going to put the link in this address bar. Okay, so when I do that, Disability Impacts Us All becomes our linked color. It's typically blue, but it can be other colors as well, and it's going to be underlined. That is a visual cue for visual readers, and then anyone who is reading by audio, the screen reader will actually say link and tell them where the link goes. If you are more comfortable in a different method of adding a link, you can also use your traditional method, which would be to take your link from whatever page. You can insert, and I can add the address and hit OK. And that's going to appear just where I wanted it.